Hey guys, we're back here with another video. If you recently picked up one of our KVM extenders, if so, today we have a tutorial for you on how to connect it to our smartboard. Y'all ready? Let's get started. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be using the JTD-3033, which is our 4K KVM extender. Just a quick rundown, this product is 4K at 60 frames for up to 230 feet and 1080p up to 330 feet. We're also going to be using our ZT65TC, which is our 65-inch touchboard. Let's get started. So just a quick rundown on how we have it all set up. We have the transmitter right over here, and there's going to be 4 connections. We have a USB cable that's going to be USB-A from the laptop going to USB-B into the transmitter. And then we have an HDMI cable going from the laptop into the receiver. And then we have an Ethernet cable that's going to go from the transmitter that's going to plug into the receiver on that end. Last but not least, we have a power cable. Just a quick rundown, the HDMI cable is going to be for audio, video, and the USB cable is going to be for, actual KVM. On the receiver end, we have the Ethernet cable plugged into it. That's where it's going to be interacting with the transmitter. We have an HDMI cable that's going to be plugging out, going into the smartboard. That's going to be for your audio, video. And then on the USB ports in the front, we have our USB-A to USB-B cable, which is going to be giving you your touch functionality. The biggest thing with this is that you can see we can now access touchscreen on the smartboard itself. If you don't have a touchboard, you can plug in a mouse and keyboard, but this is just a quick rundown how to set it up. All right, guys, so a quick little wrap up. This is how you connect a 4K KVM extender to a touchboard with touch control. If you guys have any questions, make sure to give us a phone call, 832-886-4042, or email us at support@jtechdigital.com. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to come back next time. We'll be posting more tutorials. See you guys soon.